If you ever get stuck or need help along the way, we've got you covered. You can find detailed step by step guides and tutorials in our help desk and the resources sections, which cover every feature we discussed in this course. If you'd like to see WANotifier in action or have specific questions about your use case, you can also book a personalized demo with our team. We'll be happy to walk you through the platform and help you map out the right setup for your business. For any technical issues or account related questions, our support team is just a message away. You can reach us directly through the in app chat or by emailing our support team. That brings us to the end of this WhatsApp marketing and automation masterclass. Thank you for taking the time to go through this course. We hope it's given you the knowledge and confidence you need to start using WhatsApp to grow your business. Now it's your turn to take action. Go ahead, set up your first campaign, build your first automation, and start turning conversations into conversions. We can't wait to see you succeed. Good luck, and we'll see you on WhatsApp.